Today let us see this question. If P is equal to 7 plus 4 root 3 and PQ is equal to 1, then what is the value of 1 by P square plus 1 by Q square? Okay, so now we have only one value which is for P. So P is equal to 7 plus 4 root 3 and we can write 1 by P as 1 by 7 plus 4 root 3. Now let us rationalize the denominator. So let us rationalize the denominator. So the rationalizing factor of 7 plus 4 root 3 becomes 7 minus 4 root 3. So we have to multiply both in numerator and denominator with 7 minus 4 root 3. So if you multiply this, it becomes 7 minus 4 root 3, and in the denominator, multiply using the FOIL method. So 7 square minus 7 into 4 root 3 plus 7 into 4 root 3 minus 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times root 3 the whole square becomes 3. So 16 into 3 becomes 48. So this one and this one will go away. And 7 minus 4 root 3, 7 square is 49 minus 48, which is 1. So the answer would be 7 minus 4 root 3. So this is a value of 1 by P. 7 minus 4 root 3. Okay, now there is one more given. PQ is equal to 1. If PQ is equal to 1, we can rewrite Q is equal to 1 over P. 1 over P, we got the value already. So we can take Q as 7 minus 4 root 3 and rewrite 1 by Q as 7 minus, we can write it as 1 by 7 minus 4 root 3. And again, we have to rationalize the denominator. So the rationalizing factor of 7 minus 4 root 3 becomes 7 plus 4 root 3. Multiply it both numerator and denominator. We'll be getting it as 7 plus 4 root 3 over, multiply using FOIL method, 7 times 7 is 49 minus 7 into 4 root 3 plus 7 into 4 root 3 minus 48. This both will go away. So 7 plus 4 root 3, 49 minus 48 becomes 1. This is a value of 1 by Q. Okay, now we have both the values. They are asking us to calculate what's the value of 1 by P square plus 1 by Q square. So 1 by P square plus 1 by Q square. So 1 by P was 7 minus 4 root 3 and 1 by Q is 7 plus 4 root 3. So let us square it on both the sides. So 1 by P square plus 1 by Q square is equal to 7 minus 4 root 3 the whole square plus 7 plus 4 root 3 the whole square. So I expand this, so it's going to be 7 square minus 2ab. Minus 2ab will come, 7 times 2 is 14. 14 times 4, which is 56. 56 root 3 plus b square. So 4 root 3 is a b value. So 4 root 3 is 16 into root 3 the whole square becomes 48 plus 7 square plus 2ab, which will be 56 root 3 and plus b square, which is 4 root 3 the whole square is 48. So minus 56 root 3 plus 56 root 3 will go away. So expanded 49 plus 49 plus 48 plus 48. Add this all together, we'll get our final answer as 194.